Thank you, Dr. Arun and Hitesh, for setting the stage. Dr. Arun give us a lot of perspective, numbers around GCCs, how GCCs are contributing towards Indian GDP, and how GCCs are helping India evolve. And Hitesh, thank you so much for your, if I have to say in one line, practical guide for implementing AI. So thank you so much for your great insights on how we can leverage AI. Everybody is talking about AI, which is good. But then as Hitesh highlighted, there are a lot of challenges. We need to choose right LLMs. We need to focus on business first before running behind technologies. So with that, I'll shift the gear a little bit. Focus again on combination of GCCs and innovation. How GCCs are becoming innovation hub and India is becoming a innovation leader from leveraging GCC ecosystem. So let's take a step back, go to history, how India first became a technology hub. First of all, we all know, we have a skill, there are a lot of engineers getting graduate every year. And India was originally started with BPO as a GCC hub in 90s. We were emphasizing on BPO's call center, and then there were engineers who were supporting a lot of Indian ecosystem, and gradually our IT companies in India started evolving in larger global space, Infosys, TCS, by supporting. But then confidence and trust level on Indian technology ecosystem was not that great high. What happened with Y2K? Everybody knew this is a problem. There was a panic in the world. Probably our systems won't work after 31st December. And that is where India stepped up with the scale. We supported a lot of global enterprises solve Y2K problem. And that is where world has seen that, okay, India can deliver, solve global larger problems with help of technology. That help us gain the confidence and trust. And from there, gradually GCCs started maturing, not only from BPO and call center standpoint, but to support the larger enterprise from tech innovation, from transformation. But it's a journey. It's not that easy. It started all of a sudden after Y2K. In last 25 years, we have matured significantly in terms of tech evaluation, also in terms of understanding larger ecosystem. And today, we have larger ecosystem within India where we need to work together. And we have been working together to solve enterprise problems for our HQs. So we have HQ, which could be your US based or Europe based HQ. Then there is the GCC. And then with AI, there are a lot of tech product companies who are already doing a lot of innovation on AI. So how these three components of larger ecosystem can work together? GCC understand business problem. GCC understand what are problems which need to solve to create an impact on business. On the other hand, our MSPs and tech products are doing a lot of innovation. How to integrate both knowledge of institutional knowledge of enterprise, tech innovation of which is happening through larger tech ecosystem, combine them and start solving the problems. That's going to be very, very important. And that is where India has stepped up and solving a lot of problems. If I have to give some examples, what is happening across the world, Philips is a great example, which is doing a lot of innovation from India for the entire globe. And there is a software running in MRI machines worldwide to do effective MRIs and bring AI in picture for us to get results effectively. Similarly, Lowe's, company in India which is not doing any business in India, but still understand the problem of US consumers when they check out on their own, what challenges they face, and they have built a solution sitting in India for entire world. Similarly, Microsoft GCC in India is a center for patents, helping their parent company with a lot of AI innovation, driving AI-led transformation across business lines. So these are just few examples. There are a lot of other examples where entire ecosystem is helping companies, helping their HQs solve the business problems. But now it's the time to level up the game. How we can level up the game is understand what R&D we are doing, scale up that R&D by leveraging larger ecosystem. We have startups, we have academia, solve the talent problem. Everybody is talking about AI and rightly highlighted by my previous panel members. Challenge with AI is there are a lot of POCs which are happening. For POCs to scale, we need to put a lot of effort. We need to solve the problems, we need to train our models, And that is where India can step up very much similar to what we did with Y2K. By stepping up, we can certainly take those POCs to implementation and solve larger enterprise issues. And for next leap, there is a government now which is pushing R&D and patent. A lot of support is provided by government, which will take us to next level. Being it Karnataka government, Telangana government, Kerala government, now UP and Haryana is also putting a lot of effort on R&D and funding startups to do something different. So this is a great step for us to deliver a larger message, focus on implementing our POCs to larger scale and help us transform the enterprises. So this is what I wanted to call out from my keynote on innovation. It's a time for us to scale up our small POCs to enterprise solutions, for which we need to leverage a larger ecosystem together, our academia, our startups, and then GCCs, while working in collaboration with the startups as well as tech product companies. So that will help us transform. So with this, I really wanted to say thank you to all of you and have a great session for the rest of the day.